Greetings, friend. This is Dr. Thomas Jackson, Director of M.E.E.T Ministry. Come to you for an update on our city mission project that we've been coming for you, giving you an update. We had a deadline as of yesterday for all the funds, and we have been given an extension by the owner at this time. We don't know when it will be called for the money, but I'd like to share with you what we have now that you have been so gracious. We have received thus far $67,735.83. That means we need another $52,264. And that's why we have reached this goal, because those who have given $100, $25, $500 has been a blessing to the $1,000 we received. So now we do not know exactly when the time will come that the owner said, okay, I'm ready. So we need you to continue to pray for us. So help us to reach this goal of $53,000 that will seal this missionary enterprise. Because Psalm 62:5 said, I wait only on the Lord, for our expectation is of him. Thank you for your generosity and your prayers. Until we meet again with our final installment, then you know it is finished. God bless.